outside Confederate.
Calm down. Just calm down. You got this all wrong. Just listen to me. Here.
Okay, so start na tayo guys. May konting cutscene dito. Check lang natin saglit. Meron tayong guys, 30 FPS. Pero pag hindi po tayo naka-screen recording, mas mataas po yung ating frames per second. So medyo nakakabawas talaga guys yung yung FPS sa recording. Use R to look around.
Whatever you want to know. Whatever you want to know.
What's the bounty on our heads?
You're worth $500 million per. Doubled after you raided that Confederate.
So meron tayo dito guys, parang parang hostage. So meron siyang bote sa ulo guys. So baka kailangan natin paputokan sa yung bote guys. Aim. So parang pinapakanta rin to guys.
Yeah, but you tried to kill us, see? Telling us why doesn't earn you a reprieve.
Takot siya guys. Kick.
Warning, airlock safety
Third bounty hunter this week. Toronto was stroking one hell of a murder boner, man.
Let's go loot a few.
Okay, so checkpoint tayo guys. Meron tayong 20 FPS. So medyo mababa pero playable pa rin naman guys. Baka sabihin na naman iba dyan guys, fake na naman yung ating gameplay ha. Ito yung ating game sir yan guys. So working naman siya. Start. Yan. So yan ha. Legit yan guys. Baka sabihin na naman iba dyan. Ekip yung ating gameplay. So game tuloy tayo guys.
Wonderful.
At triple tayo. X.
Cocksucker. You searched him.
Don't delegate important things to the intoxicated.
Okay, so diretso tayo guys. B. For kick. Medyo mababa guys yung ating FPS pero playable pa rin naman.
Your mom survived. Barely.
Guess I know how the old gal got that limp.
Climb over.
I need to tell you, you need to crouch here.
Press L and crouch.
You boys are... what? Door stuck on something.
Step aside, Doc. I'll deal with it my way.
Okay, so kailangan natin sirain guys yung pinaka-pinto.
So, which one of you shitheads left a note?
Okay, so meron tayong guys, yan, 20 FPS, 23. Medyo gumaganda rin ang ating guys, FPS.
Go for it. I'll be right up.
Pero pag wala tayong guys, pag hindi tayo naka-screen record, umabot siya ng 30 tapos lang. Baga parang lang doon, steady lang sa 30. Hold A. Okay, so parang tatakas ata tayo dito guys sa na to. Sa battleship na to. Parang singlot yung isa. As gamit ka pala guys na smartphone is Samsung S20 Ultra. Snapdragon 865 tapos 12 gigs of RAM. So required kasi guys sa ganitong laro is
We're with you,
ano
Gray.
po, Snapdragon 800 series po yung inyong chipset. Kung maaari, Snapdragon 865 pataas. So 870 ganyan, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So kapag mga ano guys, mga Snapdragon 600 pababa, hindi siya gagana guys, baka ano mag ano lang, force close. Kung Snapdragon 700 naman, maaaring gumana kaso baka hindi playable. Objectives, destroy the Ulysses. Okay guys, so putok tayo dito. Pwede rin naman long press lang yung ano, L2 ay R2 pala.
Okay, fine. We were all dead men anyway. Dead for years now. Just needed to do this one last thing. Just had to make sure we didn't go to hell alone. General, we're gonna take you. Take every motherfucking last one of you with us. In the sudden plunge in the sullen swell. 10 fathoms deep.
Forward, thrust.
On the road to hell.
On the road to hell. Mga gantong battleship guys, naalala ko talaga Star Wars no? Mga Star Destroyer. So dito guys, parang napadpad tayo guys sa isang planeta. Kasi nagkaroon tayo guys, emergency landing. Checkpoint tayo guys. Ang gamit ko pala guys is Egenes Emulator 4.02. Okay, so parang na pala tayo guys sa ano, parang Advanced City. Ang kulit yun, nakaano yun, no? Sa gilid tayo dumadaan, no? Naka-vertical yung building, guys. So dito, guys, meron tayong 11 FPS, 12, 15. 16, tumataas naman siya, guys. Ayan. Medyo mababa yung ano ating, guys, frames per second dito. Pero ano pa naman, level pa naman guys. Kick. Ano sisipain ko pala? Okay, diretso tayo dito guys. Meron tayong 16 to 17 FPS. Pag tumutong to guys ng 20 to 25 medyo ano na yun, playable na yun guys. Etong 17 na yan, smooth pa naman guys, level pa naman. Proceed to the infiltration point. Okay, breach tayo dito guys. Press X daw. On my mark. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pando natin guys. Bug. Assassinate Bryce Novak. Okay guys, so yun ang ating mission dito. So tumaas ulit yung ating frames per second guys ng ayan, 18 to 20 guys. Skip na natin yan, pwedeng skip.
Shut the fuck up! Answer me a question. These people. Have you had us
Yung graphics, syempre, solid na solid guys yung graphics.
Name of sweet Mary Mother of Christmas did you think you were doing out there all this time? You never.
Para ka naka ano dito guys, para ka naka-console.
Stay with the
Ayun, so may ano tayo dito guys. May battle tayo dito.
You guys shooting? I can't tell. Things are getting fun. Come on, Gray. You're letting me do all the killing.
Shisado. You're famous where I come from. Gonna make me.
Yun lang guys, dami nating kalaban dito.
Ishi!
Yun oh, may bayanihan pa rito guys, yung nangyari.
To the elevator. Go down and get to the top.
Okay guys, pero buhay pa rin pala tayo guys. Kala ko tayo yung tinamaan ng bala.
Ishi's dying, man. He's all fucked up.
See that?
Ay okay, parang ibang pangyayari yung kanina guys.
Crash it down. What about it? It doesn't
Kasi dito nga pala tayo sa bumagsak na ano kanina.
I need your help.
Yung battleship natin. Mukhang ano tayo guys ha, mukhang masama lagay natin guys.
Ishi. Ishi. Ah, damn it.
Ako, patay na ata si Ishii guys.
Out of it. Quickly, get him to the infirmary.
Doc, is he gonna?
Just go.
Get Ishii to the medical lab. Buhay pa guys, masama lang yung tama.
That thing's hanging by a thread.
You're not leaving Ishi. Not if there's any chance we can save him.
Okay. Doc thinks we can do something.
I need you to fix it, Doc. All those cyber patch jobs you did on the field, there must be.
I can replace fingers and limbs, but look at him, Gray. Half his body is crushed. At least try.
He'd do it for any one of us.
Maybe.
So ito guys, ang next objective natin, help get Ishii to the med lab. So okay na.
Been out of him for months.
So kailangan ata siyang gamutin guys. Ano nangyari kay Ishii?
Another way.
Ulysses escape capsules. A few jettisoned.
Wait a minute. Engines will have cells.
Yes, sirree.
Let's go, Rel. Our boy's time is short. Just keep him alive.
Get the power cell from the crushed capsule. Okay. Balik tayo guys dun sa ano. Asan ba yun? Crushed capsule.
I'm gonna be candid with you, Chief. You made a bad call.
I know. What else is there? Wait. You hear that?
Loud goddamn banging? Yeah.
Pucha, may kailangan ko dito guys.
You're like my own personal rabbit's foot, boss. Rain rainbows, puppies, and lucky fucking clovers spew from your ass.
Shut up. Come on, the other exit.
Puta.
This is a terrible way to spend an afternoon.
Come on, keep moving.
Double tap to ace life. Alsik eh. So dito guys ay meron na po tayong 20 minutes na gameplay. Maganda guys, hindi nagpo-force close yung ating laro. Kahit medyo mabigat guys yung graphics nito.
I'm sure that'll make Ishii feel a lot better.
Get military. Take him down fast.
Okay guys, medyo maraming kalaban dito. Diretso tayo guys. Maraming baril oh. Patayang baril. Ako ba to?
One of Serrano's new squad.
That clown?
Angas. May mga ano sila guys. May mga special skill.
Final Echo. Elite.
Don't look too elite now, does he?
Rumors were true. Final Echo are using leashes.
I thought instinct moderated weapons were outlawed.
Yeah, they were. Let's try it out.
Iyon, napakaangas. So nakakuha natin guys yung skill niya.
Damn. I can actually feel this thing talking to me.
Super, boss. Real happy for you. Now, can you make yourself useful and pop open the hood on this pod?
Leash. Iyon, napakaangas.
Grab one of those fusion cells.
Oh, right. Thanks. I'm just a waterhead. I forgot why I done marched out here.
Objectives, get back to the med lab before Ishii dies. So, okay, so balik na tayo guys. So, diyan ko muna tapusin guys yung ating part 1 ng ating gameplay nitong Bulletstorm guys. So, tuloy natin to guys kasi napakaangas ng gameplay tsaka playable naman siya dito sa ating Egg NS Emulator. So, thank you guys for watching. See you sa part 2.